Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick and just say hey to you guys about the lighting, guys. But yeah, what I wanted to do was come on here and introduce you guys to my new family members. I actually just came back from the store. When I was unlocking my front door coming in my house, a bird flew away. And I noticed like the last couple of days, I've been hearing a bird chirp. I was like, it's some baby birds somewhere. I've been hearing them. So when I look, it's actually a bird's nest on my front door, guys, in my reef on my front door. Can you believe that? I was like, oh my goodness, I don't know what to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the nest there. I'm not going to bother it. So what I'm just going to do is just let my family know that we have to be mindful when we open the door and when we go in and out the house to make sure the mama bird don't fly in the house and to make sure the baby birds don't come in here too. But guys, let me just show you guys the baby's bird's nest. And it's so crazy. Okay, let me show you guys the nest. Yeah, it's so crazy, guys, because every time I move the blind, the mama bird flies away. So let me see if I can like get a good view from inside of the bird's nest so you guys can see it. My little footstool. So hopefully I don't hurt myself trying to get up here so I can show y'all. Yeah. Okay, there go the nest, guys. Can you guys see it? That's the bird's nest right there. Right there. Guys, look at the little eggs. It's 3 little eggs. It looks like it's 3 eggs. Can y'all see that? Let me see if I can get it from it. No, that's the only angle I can get it from. You guys see the eggs? So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to name them. So it's 3 eggs. It looks like it's 3 eggs, guys. I can't get a better view than this. So I'm going to name them. The names of the birds is going to be 2 boys and a girl. So I'm going to name one Maverick. One name is going to be Falcon. And the other name is going to be Tweet. And Tweet is going to be for the little girl. It's going to be Tweety, but I'm going to call her Tweet. Yeah, guys, these are my new family members right here in the reef on my front door. Isn't that cool, guys? Isn't that amazing, guys? Like, for some reason, it just put like a smile on my face. I don't know why. I think it's the cutest thing. So, yeah, I got 3 new family members, guys. Tweety, a.k.a. Tweet, Maverick, and Falcon. It's Thursday, June 4th. What I'm going to do is record a video each day and documenting my little family members just to see what happens, guys. So, yeah. That's wild, guys. It makes me happy. It makes me smile. I don't know. I think it's just cute. But like I said, we got to be careful when we open the door, when we open and close the door, because we don't want the mama bird to fly in or anything or knock it down, knock the nest down. So I'm going to just leave it there. It's hatched soon. I need to look it up to see. And hopefully I can catch a video of the mama bird in the nest because like I said, every time I pull the blind back, she flies away. And it was so crazy because she scared the crap out of me when I came home because I was unlocking the door and the bird just flew over me. I was like, what in the world? Then I looked, I was like, oh my goodness, it's a nest because I was trying to figure out where she had came from and it's a nest. So yeah, guys. So I'm going to try to record a little snippet of them every day, checking in on them, document it for you guys, and let's see what happens. All right, guys. Okay, guys, I just got home from work. I'm going to see if she going to fly back to her nest because when I was coming toward the house, she flew away. So let me see if she gonna fly back. Eggs, they still in there. They haven't hatched yet. She fly away every time I move the blind. I think she can see it when it moves. Come on back. Let me see if I put my phone right here. Make it look like it's closed. There she go. Y'all see her? She probably like, I see you with that phone. She flew back. That is so crazy. She must see my phone. Come on and fly back.
But then I started treating her like my wife. She always been special to me. That's always been my daughter Precious, right? You know.
You see her? She always fly away. Let's see what they look like. They still ain't hatched yet. Oh, wow.
What?
They hatching.
Let me see.
Oh, they done hatched.
Let me see it.
They go. Hold this blind up for me. Hold it up.
I want to get up there where you at so I can see.
All right, let me see if I can get right here. Hold on. Let me see if I cut this light off. I can see better. Oh my God. Okay, go ahead. Can you see them moving?
Mm-hmm.
See if you can record my phone then.
I'm gonna send you this. They moving? Looks like it's barely moving.
Might be asleep.
Just mouth open like a human. Must knocked out. Ain't he? When them eyes open, they gonna start chirping.
Yeah, it's moving. There you
Oh,
go.
that's a good one right there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna have to show that to my friend tomorrow. Like, look at the birds.
Okay. Let me see your babies, girl. Let me get up here without these dogs. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm glad I spent $20 on this. And not the $45 because a lot of people.
Wow, let's leave them alone.
Wow.
I'm gonna do a video today too. So I can make a document.
Oh, both of their little heads is out.
Okay. Don't be late for work now looking at these birds.
I ain't look like she finna fight back. I was gonna tell you doing. I just got this break just to have a single picture. And these fingers ain't. What?
I got her on video.
Let me see it.
Little buddy hungry. Got that mouth wide open.